I'm going to take you for a drive in this 97 M-spec Miata. This is the NA first series, but the last year of the NA, which makes it, I think, a little more collectible. And it's a great color combination, of course. Being in the British car business, dark green and tan is always a winner in our book. So let's go for a drive. Car has 92,259 miles and drives really nicely. Not sure I can get out of here that way. There's tons to read about Miatas online. People have been loving these cars for a long time now. So for us, we're new to Miatas. But I will tell you, I'm very impressed, as many people are, with how user-friendly this sports car is. It fits a lot of people. So if you have less than perfect mobility and grew up with bug eyes, but now you have had joint replacements or whatever, a Miata is an excellent choice because it's fun like any British sports car, but also accommodates a lot of body types. It handles nicely. Everything works on this car. Mechanically, it's in really nice shape. And we'll get some gas. Be right back. Okay, a little bit of gas. Nice fuel economy in these cars, of course, with a 5-speed transmission. And cruise control, of course. Something we don't have for old British sports cars. Next stop. Okay, we're back. So more errands in the Miata. It's a very easy car to just jump in and use. We always strive for this with the classic English cars, but it's not always so easy. And I love just having windows. This is such a luxury. Of course, the rest of the world figured that out a long time ago, but we're a little behind. The side curtain universe is sorely lacking. And I have to say, throwing up a top with one quick motion is something, if only the Brits in the 60s had figured that out, it would have made my life a lot easier. But I'm enjoying the top action in this Miata. It also has a zip-down rear window, which is really nice. Keeps the sun off your head and lets a lot of wind blow through. This window, by the way, is pretty well finished but by unzipping it, the top is just fine. The top is excellent. It just needs a new rear window if that's possible. Another thing I do want to call out, which is great, is the ergonomics, the driving position. It's just right. The car, even though you don't quite wear it like you wear a bug eye, it's a very nice driving position. Everything's about right. It's not like too long an arm in an Italian sports car. It's just perfect. So, fond of Miatas, I am. Thanks for driving with us today from Bug Eye Guys and Miata Guys.